one and all present here. We, the students of DBSG, are here to give our presentation on harnessing free renewable energy to power our homes. Necessity is the mother of invention, holds true in every aspect of life. Here, we are talking about the most important necessity of modern lifestyle, that is energy needs. It's not possible to think of life without electricity today. Grids, being the sole suppliers of electricity, succumb to the demand of power, resulting in frequent and long durational power cuts. The problem increases exponentially during the peak summers, and the situation is getting worse every year due to the ever-increasing demand because of global warming.
Now, our project is all about using solar power to power your homes. Now, as you can see that there is a solar panel over here. What happens is that the sunlight falls on it and it produces electricity. That electricity flows through the wires into the inverter and it charges the battery. Now, why we did this is because due to so much power cuts, the batteries do not get charged and therefore cannot provide us with the required required amount of power backup. So people tend to take up double battery inverter. So what we are trying to do over here is, first, the capital investment is more. So what we are trying to do over here is, instead of putting double battery inverter, we are putting a single battery inverter with a solar panel which can give us enough power to run our homes for 5 hours. So therefore, the consequence that we have by putting two batteries is that we have to pay more after and after because we have to buy 2 batteries each time our battery goes down. But over here we just have to buy 1 battery, and the solar panel life is 20-25 years. That is why it is a very good call that we are using the solar panel to charge the battery inverter and which can give up power back.
Power backup using batteries with inverters and diesels for generator sets is one of the most prevalent practices nowadays. Charging inverter batteries by using grid supply adds further load on the grid, compounding the problem further. Generator sets are capital intensive and incur huge running costs due to ever-increasing diesel prices, mostly used in commercial outlets. Such a situation has made us think beyond the available sources of power supply, and this made us explore the idea of using solar power, which is thankfully free of cost and is in abundance. Installation of solar panels does require a good amount of monetary investment, but maintenance costs and charging will come almost free. A typical Ghaziabad household has an inverter of either 600 VA or 800 VA capacity with a single 100 AH battery or 150 AH battery. During summers, when the power cut is of more than 8 to 12 hours, the batteries do not get charged enough. Thus, they cannot provide the desired power backup for 3 to 5 hours. Therefore, we are forced to buy either a double battery inverter system or generator set, latter being more expensive. Thus, the need arose for seeking other alternatives.
The magnitude of the problem can be gauged from the fact that more than 4 million users use inverter, which is less or sometimes equal to 1 kilowatt. This problem is not just limited to Ghaziabad. A study conducted by the Universal Consulting reveals that many other cities like Delhi NCR are facing a similar problem. To solve this problem, we all sat together and brainstormed to find the ideas and ways for the same. An idea was suggested to use solar power and charge the inverter battery, which would prove to be very helpful for families living in the areas like Delhi NCR, which have frequent and very long power cuts. An 150 AH battery costing Rs 10,000 is the one which is most commonly preferred by a middle class family. The life of this battery is no more than 2 to 3 years. A solar panel may cost more than the preferred battery, but having a life of 20 to 25 years. These solar panels not only save money but also provide us with a luxurious lifestyle. This idea can make our life better in every way. The seed of this option has been sown. It needs to germinate to flourish as the most effective way of power backup as a substitute for regular power supply. Thank you.